Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of the triangle parallel to another side of bisect the third side. See, this is bisecting third side. Okay. Now, triangle ABC, let B the midpoint of AB. This midpoint of AB is D. So AD equal to DB. Midpoint means both equal only. So AD length equal to BD length. Okay. So AD equal to DB. I am dividing both sides DB. Dividing both sides DB. So this value equal to 1. Okay na? Second one, draw a line through the D point parallel to BC. This is parallel lines BC. AC at E. Same that only midpoint. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is second point. So AD by DB equal to AD by DB both equal. So this value is 1. So AE by EC equal to what? 1. So AE equal to cross multiplication EC. Means AE length equal to PC length. DE bisects EC. DE bisects. Okay, that is condition. So compulsory write these conditions also. Next, one more 2 marks question. Draw a line segment 7.2 centimeter and divide into the ratio 5:3. So this line how much? This line 7.2 ratio 5:3 means how many parts? 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So 5:3, 5 parts and 3 parts. Okay, that construction steps also right. 2 marks question this. Okay na?